everybody, welcome to Sheena's Guides. Hope everybody is doing fine. So today my topic is how to prevent gout naturally. So I will be talking in this video about what is gout and what are the signs and symptoms, and at the end of the video I will be telling how naturally we can control or prevent gout. So what is gout? So in the gout, what happens is that the crystals, mainly the uric acid, the crystals forms around the joint, inside or outside the joints, which causes sudden onset of pain, redness and swelling. So most of the people who suffers with gout, you can tell that they wake up in the middle of the night with an acute pain acute pain in one of their joints. It normally affects in your ankles, your fingers, your toes. The big toes is the main problem. In UK, 1 in 40 people are affected with gout. Normally in olden days they say it is a rich man's disease because this disease is caused by people who are eating high calorie food and everything. So I'll tell you in detail about that a bit later. And men are more common to get the gout than women. So men over the age of 30s are more prone to get the gout. Women are only prone after they get the menopause. It's a very treatable disease, but if you get a recurrent episode of gout, it can affect your joints and that can cause more long-term conditions. And persons who are more prone to gout have got more risk of having heart disease or stroke. So what is uric acid? How does that increase in our bloodstream? What normally happens to this uric acid in our body? Gout is caused when we have too much of uric acid in our bloodstream. Uric acid is the waste product when the body breaks down a purine, which is a protein found in many of the foods. So when this purine is being broken down and the uric acid is produced, this uric acid normally gets excreted through our urine and also from the gut with a stool. But in some people that doesn't happen. Either we eat too much of the food which is rich in uric acid, or the kidney is not able to excrete the uric acid. So that becomes this becomes high in our body, and this forms like a crystal around our joint. People who have got rich in uric acid, high uric acid, can also sometimes have kidney stones, and that also is another possibility. So now we know what is gout, the signs and symptoms, and how the gout is happening. So let's find out what are the 5 tips how we can prevent gout. The first tip is to reduce the amount of food that are rich in purines. And the food to avoid is anything with the internal organs of an animal, that is heart, kidney, liver, sweetbread, pheasant, rabbit, fatty red meat. Some seafoods like fish raw, crab, herrings, mackerel, sardines, shrimps, mussels, scallops. And also meat and yeast extracts, yeast tablets. So these are the food which has got rich in purine. I've also put a slide which tells you in detail what are the medium foods which contains very less amount of purines, and there are foods which doesn't have any purines. So you can go in detail, and I'll be putting that also in my description box. So tip number 2 is to reduce the sugar sweetened soft drinks. So anything which, if you have in a content bin, anything which has got ending with the letter OSC, that is fructose, lactose, they are all rich in uric acid. So reduce that because that reduces the gout attack more than 85%. Foods which are high in refined sugar, that's cakes, biscuits, any pastries. Artificial sweetness doesn't increase the risk of gout. Tip number 3 is about the alcohol intake. So try to have some alcohol-free days and try to keep your recommended units of alcohol, that is not more than 14 units a week. And out of all the alcohol, beer is the worst form of alcohol because it increases the chance of having a gout attack more than 80%. And also I have given you what 1 unit of alcohol is among the other spirits and other alcohols and everything. I'll be also adding that on my description box also. And the main important tip is the tip number 4. It's the hydration. Make sure you drink plenty of water, 8 to 10 glasses of a day. When you have a gout attack especially, make sure you drink a lot of water so that it gets excreted out of the organ. The tip number 5, how to prevent gout, is to maintain a healthy weight. 50 to 60% of our patients are overweight. Gout patients, are overweight. So look at what your diet is and look at what your weight is and try to do maintain a healthy eating and physical exercise. Don't avoid any crash dieting, because that can also increase the levels of uric acid in gout attack. The tip number 6 is what are the natural therapies to prevent gout or prevent further attack of gout or prevent from having a gout. One is eating cherries, blueberries or strawberries daily. When I'm telling about eating cherries daily, that is anything which is an armful, because anything in your arm is classed as one quantity. So because it has got anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. Again, eating raw papayas or pineapple is also classed as being effective in preventing gout. Daily, either as a fresh or you can make a juice. Do not add sugar or salt into it, and drink that daily can reduce the attack of gout. The 4th one is squeeze a half of lemon into a glass of water. Again, please don't add a sugar or salt. So the next ones are, this can be done when you have a gout attack, or without even having a gout attack, you can take these remedies. If you mix 1 teaspoon of raw apple cider into a glass of water and drink that 2 to 3 times daily. The second remedy is take a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of ginger root and fenugreek, and mix together that into an equal amount. So whatever quantity you are taking, that has to be in an equal amount. Mix that together and make it as a soup. Don't add water or anything, just mix the powder. And from that powder, take 1 teaspoon of the mixture and mix it with a warm water. Make it as a paste, and you can take it twice daily. And if you had a gout attack, what you can do is then make that a paste and apply onto the affected area. It reduces the inflammation. The third one is baking soda is also classed as good for a gout treatment. Mix 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water. Drink that solution 4 times a day, but not more than that. Continue that for 2 weeks. Treatment is effective when you have got a gout attack. But if you're a person who is hypertensive and who is taking tablets for high blood pressure, this treatment is not recommended. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you have got any background health conditions and worried about these natural therapies, please ask your GP or your health professional before taking the remedy. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please put your valuable feedback. Thank you.